Good morning, students. So today we are going to start chapter number, which chapter? 9. Chapter number 9. Differential equation. Okay, differential equation. So the first topic is order and degree of differential equation. Order and degree of differential equation. Okay. So first of all, we understand what is differential equation. Okay. So if we consider y is equals to fx be a function, then here y is y and x. If you put the value of x, then y will come. So y is known as dependent variable. Y is known as dependent variable, as x is nothing but independent variable. That means x you choose independently, that means whatever value of x if you put, then the y should be dependent on x. And dy by dx, this is nothing but derivative of what? Dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Okay. So this is the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. So what is the differential equation? You can say an equation in which dependent variable, independent variable and derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, that means any derivative, either first order derivative, second order derivative, whatever present in the equation is known as differential equation. Okay. So for example, x plus x d2y over dx2 plus dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. Okay. So if you want, you can write the definition, but no need. You can just understand what is differential equation. An equation in which dependent variable, independent variable as well as derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable are present is known as differential equation. Okay. Now we are going to see order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation and degree of a differential equation. So first of all, we see the order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation. So you can say the highest, the order of highest order derivative present in a differential equation, is known as order of of a highest order derivative in a differential order of highest order derivative present in differential equation is known as order of differential equation. Differential equation. Clear with that? Order of highest order derivative. First of all, you choose the highest order derivative. Which one is the highest order derivative? And that order should be the order of the differential equation. For example, if you can see d3y over dx3 plus d2y over dx2 plus d5x over dx5 power 7 is equal to 0. Suppose this is the differential equation. Then what is the order of this differential equation? First you choose highest order derivative. Which one is the highest order derivative? d5y over dx5. So order is, because order of this highest derivative is nothing but order of the differential equation. Okay. So what is the degree of differential equation? Now we can see degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation. So you can see index or power or exponent, whatever you can say, index or power or exponent of highest order derivative of highest order derivative present in a differential equation, is defined as degree of the differential equation. Defined as the degree of differential equation. Okay. So if you see the same example, we can change some particular terms. We can say, if we change this differential equation as supposed to be 11 here. Okay. So what is the degree of that differential equation? So degree of the differential equation is nothing but what? 7. This is not 11. Why? Because we can find the index or power of the highest order derivatives. Okay. So this is nothing but 5. Sometimes question is asked in board, like in this question, in this particular example, what is the sum of order and degree? What is this? Order and degree. Okay. So please read carefully the question. What the question asks. Okay. So here order is 5, degree is 7. Degree is 7. And what is the sum of order and degree? So you can see 7 plus 5, this is 12. So confusion create करने के लिए कभी-कभी इस तरह से भी question पूछते हैं. Okay. And most important thing, to find the order and degree, we need the differential equation in polynomial. Okay, polynomial, that means polynomial in derivative terms. That means differential terms. Okay. So suppose we have given dy by d2y over dx2 plus sine of dy by dx is equal to suppose 0. You cannot find the degree of this particular equation. Okay, because this is not a polynomial in dy by dx or d2y over dx2, whatever it is given. Okay, so only you can find the order of this particular differential equation. The order is 2, but degree cannot be defined. Okay, so you can complete your exercise number first. Okay, so see some questions are there. रत्नेश तुम्हारा कोई क्वेश्चन है इसमें डाउट ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री में? ओके, सो सपोज the degree of the differential equation, see, this is the question number 11. Question number 11, the degree of the differential equation, d2y over dx2 whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus sine of dy by dx is plus 1 is equal to 0. So the degree of this particular differential equation cannot be defined. Okay, why? Because this is not a polynomial in derivative terms. So you can say the order is 2 but degree cannot be defined. But the same question, if you have given sine of dy by dx or sine of d2y over dx2 is equal to supposed to be a. So what is the order and degree of this differential equation? बताओ रत्नेश क्या होगा? What is the order and degree of this differential equation?
Order is 2.
Yes.
And the degree is 1.
You can see, you can make it as a polynomial. d2y over dx2, you can write it as sine inverse a, and this is constant. Okay, so order of this differential equation is 2 and degree is 1. Order is 2 and degree is 1. So in this manner you can solve these type of questions also. And now one more question I have to write here. You can find y double dash. You know the meaning of y double dash? I had already taught you the symbol of derivative. Y dash means dy by dx. First order derivative. Y double dash means second order derivative. So you can have y double dash plus 2y dash plus sine y is equal to 0. Okay? Can you find the degree and order? Order is what? 2 and degree is? Don't confuse with this. This is sine y. This is not. If it is sine y dash, then you cannot define the degree. Okay? Now suppose you have given another question, d2y over, directly you can write y double dash plus sine of y dash plus log of y triple dash, this is equal to 0. What is the order or degree? Order is 2, but degree does not define because of this logarithmic function. Maybe you understand this particular exercise. Okay. Now we are going to move the solution of the differential equation. Okay. So you can solve the first exercise, and now next one is solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation. General and particular solution. Particular solution of differential equation. Okay? Suppose you have given a differential equation and the solution of that particular differential equation is given in the form of, suppose any differential equation you have given d2y over dx2 plus fx dy by dx is equal to 0. Suppose this is the differential equation and solution of this particular equation is of the two types. Suppose y is equals to ax plus by. This is the solution of that particular differential equation, and also y is equal to 2x plus 3y. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so there are two types of solutions. The first one is general solution. What it is? General solution. Why? Because there is some arbitrary constant a and b, but this one is the particular solution. That means there is no arbitrary constant. Particular solution, that is, there is no arbitrary constant. At the place of arbitrary constant we have given some values. Okay, so there are two types of solution: general solution and particular solution. Okay, so the solution which contains arbitrary constant is called general solution. So you can write the definition. What is the general solution? The solution which contains arbitrary constant is known as general solution. Solution which contains an arbitrary constant is known as general solution. On other hand, if we have to give some particular values for arbitrary constant, the given solution is known as particular solution. If at the place of arbitrary constant we have given some particular values, then solution is known as particular solution. Solution is known as particular solution. And one more important thing is there, maybe some questions are there. Afterward I teach the formation of differential equation, which I have already tell you, but instead of that, the number of solution of the particular differential equation is depend on the order of the differential equation is depend on the number of arbitrary constant. There are two number of arbitrary constant, that means the differential equation is of order 2. But if there are only one arbitrary constant, the order of the differential equation is 1. That means the order of differential equation depends on the number of arbitrary constant. So in the exercise second, we have to solve some questions like the given solution is given and differential equation is given. So you can find either the given solution is the solution of a differential equation or not. Like in quadratic equation in class 10, we have already studied about this. The given value of x is solution of the given particular quadratic equation or not. In the same manner, we have some solution in the exercise 9.2. Exercise 9.2, question number suppose 1 we can solve only for your information. So in each of the exercise 1 to 10, verify that the given function, explicit or implicit, is a solution of the corresponding differential equation or not. Okay. So this is the value of y, that means solution is given, and you can find this is the solution of the differential equation y dash minus y or not. So there are two methods to solve this particular question. The first one is you can find both derivatives, that means there are first order and second order derivative. So you can find it y dash, that will dy by dx e power x, and y double dash, this is also e power x. So put in this equation, if it is satisfied, then this particular value of y is the solution of the given differential equation. So put it here, e power x minus e power x, this is 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence given value of y, given curve, we can say curve is solution of differential equation. Okay. If it is not, then it is not a solution of this particular differential equation. Now another method is also there. This is the one of the method you can find the y dash and y double dash, you can put it. But you can directly from the curve you find the solution. Y dash is what? E power x. Y double dash is what? E power x. And what is the value of y dash? E power x. So y double dash is nothing but y dash. So you can find it y double dash minus y is equal to 0. That means from this particular equation you will get this equation. This is also the solution of the differential equation. So we can discuss the question tomorrow from the exercise 9.1 and 9.2. So please solve whatever the question you have. Thank you.